complaining of some usual noise, some strange noise from the engine. Whenever you start the engine, the noise will come out from the engine and start rattling. Now we are, with the look of things, the way I've already examined the engine, I discovered that the noise is coming from the timing chain. Now, without going too far, I want to go and lose this engine side to get access to the timing chain. I'm suspecting timing chain that could be the problem of this engine, and also a camshaft. So let's go and see whether this is true or not. Both timing chain and the timing chain adjuster will be checked. Maybe when we get there, we'll be able to correct the problem.